single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to discuss another topic from operation management, which is demand forecasting. So firstly I will summarize the chapter a little. Here we actually calculate the trend. We do trend analysis over here, and for that we normally use least square method. Least square method. It is of two types. One is direct method and another one is indirect method. Now the question is when you should use direct method and when indirect method. So direct method is applicable only when summation x equals to 0, and indirect method can be used only when summation x is not equals to 0. It may be positive or negative. Here x signifies time deviation. Now the trend is signified by the term y, and the formula goes like this: y equals to a plus bx, where a stands for average, b stands for rate of growth, and x stands for, as I said, time deviation. So in direct method, in this equation only, a is equal to summation y by n, whereas b equals to summation xy divided by summation x square. But in case of indirect method, the formula goes summation y equals to na plus b summation x, and summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. Here you have to use simultaneous linear equation and solve the values of a and b. Now let's go to the sums. Now coming to the first question, it is given: from the following time series data of sales, project the sales for next 3 years. Over here years are given from 2001 to 2007 and its sales are given. You have to project the sales for the next 3 years. For this you have to compute the trend values. Now here we are going to use direct method. Why direct method? Because the value of x is not given over here, so you can't use indirect method. You have to find out the value of x also. So 2001, 2002, 2003, 4, 6, 7. Next column is of time deviation, which is x. Now as I said, in case of direct method, summation x must be 0. How to take that? You have to take the middle year. The middle year over here is 2004. You have to take the middle year as 0. And now -1, -2, -3, +1, plus 2 plus 3. It goes like this. Now sales 80, 83, 94, 99, 92, and now next is x square 9410149. Next comes xy 80, 0, 94. Calculate each and every section. N equals to 7. Time division is summation x equal to 0. As I said, it must be 0 in direct method. Sales equals to 630. Summation x square equals to 28, and summation xy equals to 56. Don't try to learn the table, just go with the formula. As I said, in direct method, what is the formula of A and B? Depending on that, you should make the table. Now, using the regression equation formula, which is y equals to a plus bx, where a equals to summation y by n, which is summation y equals to 630 and n equals to 7, which is 90. Now b equals to summation xy divided by summation x square, which is 56 divided by 28, which is 2. That's it. Now you have to take out the sales for the next 3 years. So you have to put the formula, put the values in this formula, which is y equals to a plus bx. So next 3 years means 2008, 9, 10. So in y 2008 equals to a equals to 90 plus b equals to 2 and x equals to plus 4. 2007 was plus 3, next will be plus 4. Same as, so this will be 98. So next in 2009 equals to 90 plus 2 into 5 equals to 100, and in year 2010 equals to 90 plus 2 into 6, which is 102. So that's it in this question. Let's go to the next question. This question is also same as the previous one. Here only one thing I would explain. This is also following, you have to follow direct method as x is not given away. So just one thing. Here 2002, 2003, 4, 2005, 2006, 2007. In this case, if you try to find out the middle value, you can't, because number of values are 6, which means you don't have any middle point. So over here, what you should do, make an imaginary middle point as 0 and start from over here, which means this will be plus 1, this will be minus 1. Next point will be minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Over here also same, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Which means you have to take in every half yearly also. which means this is for the middle, this is for the middle, this is for the middle, and this two. So over here time deviation would be -1, -3, -5, +1, +3, +5, and the rest of the things are completely same. You can do it on your own. So let's go to the next sum. You have to put the time deviation in each of the half years. Means one deviation is for half of 1 year. Like this you can do it. Now coming to the third question, it's given an investigation into the demand for color TV sets in 5 towns has resulted in the following data. The data is given: fit a linear regression of y on x and estimate for CTV sets for 2 towns with a population of 10 lakhs and 20 lakhs. Over here you have to use indirect method. How I came to know? The value of x is given. Now let's start the solution. Put the values as in the form of table. First, population 5, 7, 8, 11, 14. Number of TV, which is y, 9, 13, 11, 15, 19. Now x square 25, 49, 64, 121, 96, and xy 45, 91, 88, 165 to 66. Make the total of every set. Summation x equals to 45, summation y equals to 67, summation x square equals to 455, and summation xy equals to 655. Now over here, as I told you earlier, the formulas will be a little bit different of a and b. So this would be same, y equals to a plus bx. Over here you have to solve two equations. One is summation y equals to na plus b summation x, and summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. Now simply putting the values, 67 equals to 5a plus 45b, 655 equals to 45a plus 455b. So this will be equation 1, equation 2. Now to make one equation equal, I would multiply this by 9 and this one by 1. So we will get 67 603 equals to 45a plus 405b, and this 655 equals to 45a plus 455b. Now changing the signs, you all know the simultaneous equation method, how to do it. We get 52 equals to 50b. Minus minus cancel, so b equals to 52 divided by 50, which is 1.04. Now putting the values of B in equation 1. In equation 1, 67 equals to 5a plus 45 into 1.04, which is 46.80. Now 5a equals to 67 minus 46.80. A equals to 20.20 divided by 5, which is equals to 4.04. So we have got the value of A and B. Now you just have to put the values and find out the which has been asked. Fit a linear regression of y1 and x and estimate for CTB sets for two towns with a population of 10 lakhs and 20 lakhs. So in case of 10 lakhs, y equals to a plus bx, which is a equals to 4.04 plus b equals to 0.04 into x is 10. So in this case we get 14.44 thousand CTB sets. And in case of 20 lakhs, y equals to a plus bx equals to 4.04 plus 1.04 into 20. So it is 4.04 plus 24.84 thousand CTB sets. So that's it. Next question you have in the study mat is same as this one also. You can do it easily. You just have to keep in mind the two formulas which I told you, which I gave you, this one. These two formulas you must keep in mind. Depending on that, you have to make the table also and solve it. So that's it guys. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और आपको आपका कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हुए होंगे. अगर नहीं हुए हैं तो कमेंट्स में ज़रूर लिखिएगा. मैं कोशिश करूँगा फटाफट रिप्लाई देने का. और सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए आगे की वीडियोस के लिए और नोटिफिकेशन बेल ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरे आने वाले वीडियोस आपको सबसे पहले मिले. सो दैट्स इट. ऑल द बेस्ट.